everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a hopefully quick update for you on my no-buy, my 3-year no-buy that has come and gone. I hit 3 years on June 23rd, and lo and behold, I have not purchased anything. So I definitely made it free and clear to June 23rd. Now we are, 3 months past that, so we're at 3 years and 3 months. Have not purchased anything. I haven't even gotten any replacements of anything, no gifts, no nothing, and I'm totally okay with that. I've had some discussions with my girls, Brandy, Dana, and Amanda, because I chat with those girls every single day. They're kind of like my sounding board for a lot of things, and one thing that I have come to the conclusion of, except, you know, it's definitely not proper grammar, I really don't feel like I need to be on an official no-buy anymore. And I've kind of felt this way for a while, and I've kind of mentioned it here or there. I feel like I set out to do this no-buy to kind of curb my appetite for spending, for buying all the things, buying all the makeup and stuff like that. And it definitely has done that. It originally, it started so that I would have like a period of time where I wasn't buying things to kind of, you know, the influx of stuff coming in would be minimized. And then I thought I was going to get back to doing my own thing. And then I just, you know, went into year 2, and then I went into year 3. You know, I had lots of encouragement, a lot of support, which I'm very appreciative of. You guys are amazing. But I feel like at this stage, that I really don't need to be on an official no-buy, because I look at new stuff periodically. It's not like I don't seek it out regularly. I am just not interested at all. I'm not impressed with the new stuff that is coming out, and I haven't been for a long time. I just feel like everything is just kind of like regurgitated from other brands, their own brands, stuff like that, or like they're taking the samey sameness and then they're just doing this tiny little tweak to it and repackaging, putting a new name on, whatever. And I just feel like I've seen it all, been there, done that, and I'm like, don't want to be like Negative Nancy or Debbie Downer or any of those other people, but I don't know, I am not feeling inspired by any new releases, and I really just don't have the desire to buy at all. So I feel like the no-buy has definitely done its job for me, almost too well. Like, there's nothing I even want to put on a wish list for, you know, like gifts for later in the year, for anniversaries, Christmas, birthdays, anything like that. It's kind of surreal. It's very liberating, but it's kind of weird that there is just nothing that I want, which is, it's kind of crazy. It really is. I have so much stuff, that there's just nothing out there that, in my opinion, is better than what I have, or so much better that, you know, that I absolutely have to have it, that what I have isn't already good enough, if that makes any kind of sense. Probably doesn't. So, while I do not intend on buying anything anytime soon, I technically am allowing myself to now. I don't even feel like I need to go on a low buy. I know a lot of people that come off of a long-term no buy roll into a low buy. I just don't feel like I need it. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, I do not have the desire to buy anything, and it's weird. I will even watch people with new releases, and Alex, my girl, Alex Alejandra Lisette, she has some gorgeous eyeshadow palettes, and she's a collector, she's an enthusiast, and I totally appreciate and respect that. And there are some things that I can look at that she, you know, presents to us, reviews or whatever, and I think, that's really, really pretty, that's nice. But I just don't have the desire to have it in my collection, if that makes any sense. I love that other people are buying stuff if they want that for their collection. I just don't feel like that. I don't feel that need anymore, and it's weird. I don't know how else to explain it. And I'm not supplementing that need to shop anywhere else. Like, I'm not buying clothes or shoes or books or any other things at all. I don't know. Maybe it's this year. Maybe it's the no buy that I've been doing for so long. Maybe it's, you know, I've been panning for so long that I feel like I'm seeing the same things over and over and over again within my own collection, within new releases and stuff like that. I'm not sure really what flipped that switch for me, but it is definitely flipped. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say. I got nothing. I got nothing. This is going to be a very short update. Do you guys even want me to continue updating you guys if I don't buy anything? Do you just want me to mention it like as part of my empties video? Do you guys, if I do buy anything, do you want me to, you know, jump on and say, hey, I bought something? I'm curious what you guys would like to know or hear or see from me, because having taken my hiatus and then not buying anything for so long, and I kind of feel out of the loop, if that makes any sense. So you guys need to let me know what you guys want to see, hear, know, not know. I'm okay with all of that, but I did want to update you, let you know that I did make it to the 3-year mark, 3 year and 3 month actually, but so this is my official 3-year update. Since I was on hiatus when I hit that 3 years. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to know any more, if you don't ever want to see another No Buy video from me again, I would totally understand that, because I've been doing these for a long time. So I'm going to wrap this up. Leave your comments down there, whatever you like, however you feel about this. If you don't, you know, really care one way or the other, I'm just kind of curious what everyone's feelings are on this subject. All right. I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.